The ongoing 48-hour general strike called by the Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation, JFD, has paralyzed normal life across the valley districts on its second day. Shops and all the business establishments remain shut, while vehicles, except those for emergency services and religious ceremonies, stayed off the roads. A few shops and vendors that opened early in the morning were forced to close immediately. Educational institutions remained closed and attendance in government offices was very low. Large numbers of Bandh supporters took to the streets, blocking roads by burning tires and erecting barricades at various locations. Demonstrators also staged protests in several localities across the valley districts. Meanwhile, tight security measures were put in place in vulnerable areas to prevent any untoward incidents.
JFD tawriba nasi ekoi support tawjai haidana jo sum kawle basu ekoi chu wadani praja ge asaw ha basu lakani JFD gi support tawi haidana haibadana taba ekoi praja mo bagi wakhalon da su thobjar aga ngasi leingak na no ina si no se haibade support tawi haibadi ekoi media gi thongda khabar da kaida su jaba phamjai support tawi di haraga support tawi khum pot na tabada disi singji da ses ki mari leina ba thabak thoram sing jamsal la pase ekoi toila thengna jaba se yam nungai jade asi koragadi JFD na hai da bati da praja gi ba akan mo ma adu pasangan magi wakhalon da lakpa ya ha basi mu media